instead, you just slap the old snooze button and go back to sleep. But when you wake up, you realize you're an hour late for work. You get up and rush out the door.
I'm late for work. Boss, I'm here.
You're late. The office is already closed. What do you think this is, a holiday? You're fired!
Sorry, boss. My alarm clock didn't go off.
Well then, son, you need the ultimate alarm. The ultimate alarm clock not only plays the voice of the most annoying person we know.
Wake up, random person, wake up. Time to wake up, random person. Wake up!
But it also has club mode. Hip-hop music. Hawaiian music. And many more.
It even turns on the lights for you.
It also takes the covers off for you. Put your teddy bear in its safe place. And in case you don't get up right away, it slaps your face.
No,
And to wake you up, it gives you a fresh pot of coffee.
Coffee? The ultimate alarm clock is great.
Yeah, and here are some of our satisfied customers.
Me and my friend use the ultimate alarm clock. Don't you like it, Teddy? He said yes.
The ultimate alarm clock is great. Now my biker friends don't have to wait for me to wake up. I get up exactly when I want to. It is so great. And the coffee is good too, except for the tips. Here's one of our customers that was so excited about the ultimate alarm clock, he couldn't speak. He just broke dance all the time.
Get your free ultimate alarm clock today for only a purchase of $50 or more.
We are not responsible for any electrocutions or poisoning from the coffee, and we will not pay for any of your hospitals. But if you are on your deathbed, we will send you a get well card.